Imagine this, you're in your 60s, maybe even beyond, and you've started to notice little changes in your body that weren't there a decade ago. Your knees creak when you stand up, your hands tingle at odd moments, and your legs feel like they've lost some of their old spark. You might even catch yourself hesitating before climbing a flight of stairs, wondering if your body will cooperate. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Okay, millions of people over 60 experience these signs of aging, and the culprit often lies in something most of us never think about: collagen. Collagen is the glue that holds your body together. Your joints, tendons, muscles, even your nervous system rely on it. But here's the kicker: after age 60, your body's collagen production slows to a crawl, leaving your joints stiff, your muscles weaker, and your balance a little shakier. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements or complicated treatments to turn things around. Nature has already provided a solution, and it's sitting in your local grocery store. I'm talking about 8 collagen-boosting fruits that can help you rebuild strength, ease joint pain, and restore mobility, all right? These aren't just any fruits. They're backed by science, packed with nutrients, and easy to incorporate into your daily life. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly which fruits to eat, why they work, and how they can help you feel stronger, steadier, and more like your old self. And trust me, you'll want to hear about the number 1 fruit. It's a game changer most people overlook. All right, let's start with why collagen matters so much, especially as we age. Think of collagen as the scaffolding of your body. It's a protein that gives structure to your joints, tendons, ligaments, and even the tiny blood vessels that keep your legs and arms moving smoothly. Without enough collagen, your joints start to feel like rusty hinges, your muscles lose their firmness, and you might notice that unsettling tingling in your hands or feet. Over time, this collagen loss can lead to wobbly legs, nighttime cramps, or even unexpected falls, issues that affect millions of older adults. A 2019 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that collagen depletion is directly linked to reduced muscle strength and joint flexibility in people over 60. But here's the exciting part: you can rebuild collagen naturally without relying on pills or powders. The secret lies in eating the right foods, specifically fruits that are loaded with the nutrients your body needs to kickstart collagen production, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. These 8 fruits I'm about to share with you aren't just delicious. They're like nature's medicine cabinet, designed to help you move better, feel stronger, and live with more confidence. All right? Before we dive into the first fruit, let me ask you this. Have you noticed your body feeling stiffer or weaker lately? Maybe it's harder to get out of a chair, or your knees ache after a short walk, all right? If you're nodding along, drop a quick comment below and let me know where you're from and what challenges you're facing. I read every comment, and I'm here to help you find solutions. This isn't just a video, it's a community of people who want to age well, live vibrantly, and take control of their health naturally. So let's get started with fruit number 8, a gentle but powerful player in the collagen game: amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry. Okay, amla might not be a household name, but it's a superstar when it comes to supporting collagen production. This small, tart fruit is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on the planet. Just 100 grams of amla delivers up to 478 milligrams of vitamin C, more than 10 times what you'd get from an orange. Why does this matter? Vitamin C isn't just for warding off colds, it's a critical building block for collagen. Your body uses it to create pro-collagen, the raw material that forms the sturdy fibers in your joints, tendons, and muscles. All right? This means your joints move more smoothly, your limbs feel less achy, and your connective tissues get stronger. But amla does more than just build collagen. It's packed with gallic and ellagic acids, antioxidants that protect your existing collagen from breaking down due to inflammation or oxidative stress. What makes amla so special for people over 60 is its gentle nature. Unlike some acidic fruits that can irritate sensitive stomachs, amla is easy to digest. You can enjoy it as fresh juice, mix the dried powder into smoothies, or even sip it as a soothing tea. Okay, it's a perfect morning ritual to wake up your body's collagen making machinery. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of amla tea, knowing you're giving your joints and muscles a natural boost. Amla isn't the most powerful fruit on this list. It's more like the opening act, setting the stage for deeper healing. But by reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and laying the groundwork for collagen repair, it's an essential first step for anyone looking to ease joint stiffness or nighttime leg cramps. Now, let's move on to fruit number 7, black raspberries. These dark, juicy berries might not be as common as their red cousins, but they're a hidden gem for protecting and preserving collagen. Black raspberries are loaded with anthocyanins, plant compounds that give them their deep purple color and act like a shield for your body's collagen. A 2014 study in the journal Nutrition and Cancer found that these anthocyanins block enzymes called MMPs, which break down type 2 collagen, the kind found in your knees, spinal discs, and cartilage. When MMPs are kept in check, your cartilage and ligaments have a chance to recover, leading to less pain, better flexibility, and stronger joints. In fact, early human trials with black raspberry extract showed significant improvements in joint mobility and a noticeable reduction in morning stiffness, a common complaint for people over 60. All right, black raspberries aren't just about defense. They also improve microcirculation, the flow of blood through your body's smallest blood vessels. This is crucial for seniors who experience cold feet, tingling toes, or leg cramps at night, symptoms often tied to poor circulation. Okay, the flavonoids in black raspberries keep blood vessels flexible, reducing blockages and ensuring nutrients reach your muscles and joints. You can toss a handful of black raspberries into a smoothie, mix them with yogurt, or even eat them frozen for a refreshing treat. Their mild flavor makes them easy to incorporate into your diet, even if you're managing diabetes or sensitive digestion. Think of black raspberries as the body's maintenance crew, protecting the collagen you're rebuilding and keeping your joints and muscles in fighting shape. Next up is fruit number 6, blueberries. If you've ever felt like you're eating all the right foods, but still struggling with joint pain or weak legs, blueberries might be the missing piece. These little blue powerhouses don't just taste great. They're experts at helping your body deliver nutrients exactly where they're needed. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins like black raspberries, but they take things a step further by boosting the activity of collagenase enzymes. Okay. A 2011 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that these enzymes help replace old, damaged collagen with stronger, healthier fibers. Blueberries also increase nitric oxide production, a compound that opens up blood vessels and improves circulation to your knees, calves, and feet, areas that often suffer from poor blood flow as we age. All right. In a clinical trial at the University of Florida, postmenopausal women who drank blueberry smoothies daily for 8 weeks saw a 21% improvement in peripheral blood flow. They also had less cartilage breakdown and reported feeling less tingling or numbness in their legs. This makes blueberries a must-have for anyone dealing with leg cramps, cold feet, or reduced walking endurance. Picture this: you blend a handful of blueberries with some black raspberries and a splash of amla juice for a collagen-boosting smoothie. Blueberries are like the delivery trucks of your body, ensuring that every nutrient you consume gets to the right place at the right time. Now, let's talk about fruit number 5, strawberries. Okay, these bright red beauties are more than just a sweet treat. They're a collagen-building powerhouse. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, about 50 milligrams per 100 grams, and manganese, a mineral that plays a direct role in forming type 1 collagen, the most abundant type in your body. This collagen is found in your skin, muscles, tendons, and soft tissues, making it essential for overall strength and mobility. A study in the Archives of Dermatological Research showed that strawberries' vitamin C and manganese can increase collagen production by up to 30%. They're also rich in flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol, which reduce inflammation in cartilage, helping to ease knee pain and muscle spasms. Strawberries are especially great for seniors because they're gentle on the stomach and help regulate blood sugar thanks to their soluble fiber. In a University of Oklahoma study, people over 60 who ate strawberries daily for 6 weeks reported less knee pain and improved balance, going from standing for 10 minutes to 17 minutes without discomfort. You can eat strawberries fresh, blend them into a smoothie, or pair them with Greek yogurt for a protein-packed snack that amplifies their collagen building effects. Strawberries are like the construction workers of your body, laying down new collagen fibers and strengthening the foundation of your joints and muscles. All right, moving on to fruit number 4, papaya. If strawberries are about building, papaya is about deep repair. This tropical fruit contains a powerful enzyme called papain, which breaks down damaged tissue and excess proteins, clearing the way for your body to rebuild fresh collagen. Okay? A 2009 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that papain improves the absorption of proline and glycine, 2 amino acids that form the backbone of collagen fibers. This kickstarts your body's collagen synthase enzyme, sparking the rebuilding process. Papaya is also rich in vitamins A, C, and E, plus folate, which support cartilage repair, strengthen ligaments, and restore tiny blood vessels. All right, for seniors dealing with muscle loss, weak legs, or early joint degeneration, papaya is a game changer. Papaya's gentle, low-acid nature makes it easy to digest, and its enzymes help seniors absorb nutrients more effectively, even if their digestive systems aren't as strong as they used to be. Okay? Slice it up for a morning snack, blend it with pineapple for a collagen-boosting smoothie, or enjoy it as a light dessert. Papaya is like the demolition crew that clears out the old, damaged tissue so your body can rebuild stronger than before. All right, now let's talk about fruit number 3, pineapple. This tropical delight isn't just a vacation vibe, it's a full spectrum anti-inflammatory that can transform your joints and muscles. Pineapple contains bromelain, a protein digesting enzyme that's been studied extensively for its ability to reduce swelling, ease pain, and promote tissue healing. A 2001 article in Alternative Medicine Review found that bromelain suppresses pain, causing prostaglandins, improves circulation, and helps repair damaged connective tissue. In a German clinical study, rheumatoid arthritis patients who took 500 milligrams of bromelain daily for 6 weeks saw a 41% reduction in joint pain and swelling, especially in weight-bearing joints like the knees and hips. Pineapple's benefits go beyond bromelain. It's packed with vitamin C, manganese, thiamine, and vitamin B6, all of which support collagen regeneration and muscle repair. Okay? For seniors with stiff knees, tight calves, or nighttime leg cramps, pineapple can make a noticeable difference by improving blood flow and reducing stagnation in the lower limbs. Blend it with guava or papaya for a powerful anti-inflammatory smoothie, or eat it fresh with a sprinkle of ginger to amplify its effects. Just stick to fresh pineapple. Canned or overly ripe versions lose much of their bromelain potency. Pineapple is like the cleanup crew, clearing inflammation and paving the way for stronger, healthier joints. All right, we're getting close to the top, and fruit number 2 is a true powerhouse, guava. This unassuming fruit is a collagen-boosting champion, delivering 200 to 300 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, more than most citrus fruits. Vitamin C is critical for building type 1 and type 2 collagen, which form the foundation of your muscles, ligaments, and cartilage. Okay? A 2012 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate guava daily for 6 weeks saw a 24% increase in collagen density, reduced knee inflammation, and improved walking ability. Guava's flavonoids, like quercetin, also suppress inflammatory enzymes, easing joint pain, muscle cramps, and swelling in the arms and legs. All right, guava is a fantastic choice for seniors because it's rich in potassium and soluble fiber, which support blood sugar control and improve circulation to the lower limbs, key for those with pre-diabetes or unsteady walking. You can eat guava fresh, blend it into a sugar-free juice, or combine it with papaya or pineapple for a collagen healing smoothie. In places like South Korea and Japan, guava is a staple in diets designed to support joint and muscle health for people over 60. After just 3 to 4 weeks of eating guava regularly, many seniors report stronger calves, fewer leg cramps, and easier movement. Guava is like the architect of your body's collagen rebuild, designing a stronger, more resilient structure. All right. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, fruit number one, kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit is the secret weapon that ties everything together. Kiwi doesn't just boost collagen production, it maximizes your body's ability to absorb and use it. The magic lies in actinidin, a unique enzyme that breaks down proteins into small peptides, making them easier for your body to convert into collagen. A 2010 study in the Asia Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who added kiwi to their diets saw a 27% increase in collagen peptide absorption, along with less knee fatigue and improved balance. This is critical for reducing fall risk, a major concern for older adults. All right. Kiwi is also packed with potassium, lutein, vitamin E, and soluble fiber, which support blood pressure, circulation, and digestion, helping to ease leg cramps and constipation. Eating one kiwi in the morning or evening maximizes actinidin's effects, ensuring your body absorbs collagen from all the other fruits you're eating. A study from the University of Tokyo showed that kiwi helps regulate genes linked to oxidative stress, slowing joint deterioration and preserving collagen. Kiwi is like the master key, unlocking your body's full potential to rebuild and restore. All right, let me share a story to bring this all home. Meet Sophia, a 68-year-old retiree from Oregon. A few years ago, Sophia noticed she couldn't walk her usual route without her knees aching or her legs feeling heavy. Getting up from a chair was a struggle, and she'd wake up at night with painful leg cramps. Her doctor suggested supplements, but Sophia wanted a natural solution. All right. After researching, she started a simple routine: a morning smoothie with kiwi, guava, and pineapple, a handful of strawberries at lunch, and papaya or amla in the afternoon. Within 3 weeks, she could stand without gripping the armrests. After 2 months, she was walking a mile daily with no pain. Sophia says it wasn't a miracle. It was giving her body the tools it needed to rebuild, all right? These 8 fruits, amla, black raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, papaya, pineapple, guava, and kiwi are your natural toolkit for rebuilding collagen, easing joint pain, and restoring strength, okay? They're not magic pills. They're science-backed, nutrient-rich foods that work together to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and rebuild your body from the inside out. Start small, add a kiwi to your breakfast, blend a guava, pineapple smoothie, or snack on strawberries. Share this with someone who needs it, a friend, a parent, anyone struggling with weak legs or creaky joints. All right. And if you're ready to take action, comment, "I'm ready," below, and I'll send you a free 7-day collagen recovery meal plan to get you started. This isn't just about living longer, it's about living stronger with confidence and freedom at any age.